Welcome to the channel, The Tech Piano Player Kid.
A black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille. What is up, everyone? The Tech Piano Player Kid here. And I just found something out really cool for the Apple Watch. Now, I don't know if all Apple Watch series can do this, but I know mine can do this since I have the SE, but yours should be able to do this. And the way you can find out is by going to, on your Apple Watch or through the Apple Watch app, go to the Apple Watch app, go to Accessibility, VoiceOver, and Hand Gestures. And you're probably thinking, what in the world is hand gestures? I'm glad you asked. So what this does is you can do certain motions by just using just different gestures with your hand to navigate on your Apple Watch. Now, you can't do everything, but it at least, lets you do something. So to enable this, you go to that, the way I told you, and then you can enable it there. And then you can customize the way you want it to. Defaults are already set, but again, you can change those to your own preference for whatever you like them to do. So I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm going to go and press the crown button on here. Let's see here. 70%, 65%. Volume. I'll turn this up. 75%. There we go. And it went back to the Samantha voice for some odd reason. It was back to the original Siri voice, but I'll have to figure out what's going on here. But anyway, so once you put this crown button for this right now, to activate the hand gesture, you do like be quiet, VoiceOver. So press the crown button and then you do like a clench fist twice. 1, 2. And it does like a little haptic feedback. So I'm going to do it once. Now it's on the home. So now I'm going to do like a pinch with one finger, thumb and forefinger, or pointer finger together.
Stopwatch.
Do it again.
Timer. Camera. Settings.
And
sleep.
Let's see here.
Activity. Messages. Memoji. Remote.
So
mindfulness.
Let's see, I went too far.
Cycle tracking.
Let's see here. Let me find one.
Heart rate. Noise. Music.
So let's say I want to open the noise thing. So I can do a double pinch.
Noise.
And to activate it, I'll do a double clench fist. 1, 2. And there you go. And now I can navigate.
Apple Watch can check sound levels nearby and notify you when they might affect your hearing. This uses the microphone. Enable. Button.
And then I'll enable that just for fun. So then I'll do a double clench fist again. 1, 2.
Enable.
I think it worked.
Enable.
No, it didn't work.
Enable. Page 1 of 2.
There we go.
Enable.
What the heck?
Button. Enable. Button. Enable.
Uh-oh.
Button. Enable.
Hold on.
62 decibels.
Okay, there we go. It was already enabled. This was a little bit weird. So I'm going to do a one clench fist.
Home. Noise.
And there you go. And that's kind of the best way of doing it. And then when I'm done, I just put my wrist back down. So why would you use this? Well, maybe if your hands are full, you can do so. The only thing I would like for this to work is that you don't have to push the crown button. You can just do like a certain gesture to like activate the crown button push, and then you can actually it'll still do it. Or if you do a double, you do the gesture to activate it, it will activate it, but then it will go to the screen, and then you can do it that way. So maybe I'll mention this to Apple, but that's a really cool thing to have. I decided to try. I saw it on there, and I was like, I may try that later on, and it actually works out pretty cool. You just have to get used to it. So if you guys want to try it out, again, go on your Apple Watch. I do it from your iPhone. From the Watch app on your iPhone. So go to your Watch app, go to Accessibility, VoiceOver, and under there should be something called Hand Gestures, and then you can keep the defaults. Or what I did, I just switched a couple around. I switched the double clench fist for the crown, instead of double clench fist, I did it for a single clench fist, and then for the double tap, I changed it to a double clench fist, as I was like double tapping. And then for the swipe left and right, I just did, I think I kept it the same, or maybe I switched them. But again, you can change those. Also, I'd like to see that you can add other gestures. But I think but from my point of view, I don't think that'd be kind of hard to do. So maybe like a triple pinch, maybe like or triple clench fist. You can do like a push the crown button, and then you can turn the display on or something like that. I don't know. So you wouldn't have to like push the crown button if your hands are full, something like that. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, please put them in the comments down below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you'd like. Also follow me on Facebook if you wish, and my Twitter page. You can also support me on Patreon. All the links are down below in the description. You can also give me a call or text me at 913-312-1325. If you live outside the United States, you can text me through WhatsApp. That's completely for free, or it should be. And you can also send me an email at info@TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. Please note, when I email you back, it may go in the junk mail folder or spam folder, so maybe put the email address and stuff in contacts so it won't do that, or hopefully it won't do that. If it does, if it doesn't work that way, then still check your junk mail folder, and it will say from either the email address or saying from the Tech Piano Player Kid. Also, be on the lookout for an iPhone 13 unboxing and setup demonstration this weekend. So I'll be showing you how to transfer your stuff from an old iPhone to the new iPhone, unboxing it, and comparing the sizes. I will not be able to put it on camera since I will have to compare them both at the same time, so I'll just have to physically explain it to you in detail and audio. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Take care, and God bless. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, please email info@thetechpianoplayerkid.com. Please also follow my Twitter at @tech_piano. A black background with white text that reads "The Tech Piano Player Kid" displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille, then fades to black.